Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the 24 hours or to 12 hours format on your HUAWEI MateBook 11 with Windows 11. So to begin, we'll need to click on the Start key, then navigate to the settings, so that here you can go for time and language, language and region. Now use a different regional format to get a 24 hours change. So right now I'm in Polish, Poland, and I have 24-hour format. Now if we go for English, it changes to the AM 12-hour format. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.